Everyone. This video is about how we can set up our lab for Android pen testing. We'll do it by installing Genymotion, and so we are on our Google page and we will write download Genymotion, first one, and click on the first link that you have got. Download archive Genymotion Android emulator for app. And since I am having Mac, so I will download for Mac OS one. If you are having Windows, then you will download for with download for Windows with VirtualBox. This one you have to download. So I've already installed it. I think the installation part you all can do it by yourself. There is nothing much more in that. So let's move further. I'll open my Genymotion first. So this is what the first UI looks like of Genymotion. After installation you will see. So for setting up an Android device, we'll click on the plus button here that you can see, and after that we'll select Android device. For example, I am selecting Google Pixel 2 of Android version 8.2, API version 27, and then we'll click on next. Processor, you should give at least two processor depending on how much processing power your computer is having. I'll recommend give it two. And memory size, you have to give it 4 GB RAM at least. If you are giving less than 4 GB RAM, then it will lack a lot. So I recommend you give at least 4 GB of RAM, and then click on install. We'll wait for the installation part. Okay, since it's installing, we will look for VirtualBox. We have to download VirtualBox also in order to run our Android emulator. So we'll just write a VirtualBox download on Google and we'll open the first link. Okay, so you will download according to your operating system. I am having Mac, so I will download OS X host. If you are having Windows, you have to download Windows host. Once the installation part is finished, I hope you all can do it by yourself. Once this installation part is finished, your VirtualBox will look like this. Okay, wait, it's opening. Yeah, your VirtualBox will look like this. You won't be having this Parrot OS in Google Pixel 2 first time if you are downloading, and you don't have to do any other setup here. Once you have downloaded the VirtualBox, once the installation is done, you will be all good to go. So we'll close the VirtualBox, and our Android emulator is all set up here, and we'll click on start. So we'll wait, since it's booting for the first time, that's why it will take a few minutes. So we'll wait for it. जल्दी हो जा भाई. I don't like waiting. Sorry for the background noise if you are hitting. Okay, fine, it has booted up. So let's wait for a few minutes more in order to set up. Okay, since I'm screen recording, that's why it's lacking a lot. But once when you will be doing, it will not lack like this much. It will be more frequent. So our lab is all set up. You can click here. You can search the apps, and you can go back, and you can click on Google, and you can search whatever you want. Like, let me show you for an example, google.com. I'll press enter, and it will open up my Google home page. Okay, so Google homepage has opened. So now, by this we can say that it can access internet. So for this video, this was it. In the next video, we will talk about the burp suit setup, about how we can set Android apps, and about how we can download Android apps in this Android emulator, and set up burp suit to intercept the request. So that was it, and we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.